Good day, everyone. We are Team Tamaror, and today we proudly present our innovation called Angry Tree, a low-cost forest protection device designed to help local communities detect illegal logging quickly and effectively. Our team name, which is Tamaror, come from the tamaraw, a strong, resilient animal symbolizing the protection of Philippine wildlife and forests. And just like our name, our advocacy is clear. When nature roars, we hear it. Today, we want to show you why we created Angry, how it works, and how it can make a real difference in communities facing the threat of illegal logging.
Now, moving on to the problem, illegal logging continues to be a major problem in the Philippines. Our forests cover large, hard to patrol areas, making it impossible for authorities to guard every tree 24/7. Because of this, illegal loggers take advantage of remote places and cut trees without being detected. By the time someone notices the damage, it is often too late. The tree has already fallen, and the loggers are long gone. Another challenge is that many communities do not have the tools, budget, or technology to help to protect their forests. Advanced detection systems exist, but they are usually too expensive, too complicated, or require trained personnel. And most rural barangays simply cannot afford that. And when there is no alert system, wildlife habitats are disturbed instantly. Birds, mammals, and other species lose shelter, and the community loses resources that take decades to recover. So the problem is not just illegal logging, it's the lack of early detection, affordable monitoring, and rapid response.
This is where Tree comes in. Tree is a simple, low-cost device that protects forests even without human presence. Once installed on a tree, it acts like a guardian, listening for danger and alerting people immediately. It has two main sensors, a sound sensor that detects the unique noise pattern of a chainsaw, and a vibration sensor that feels cutting movements on the tree trunk. When the system detects either sound or vibration, it triggers a buzzer alarm. At the same moment, it sends a signal or alert that can notify authorities, tanods, or barangay officers. This makes the device extremely useful in rural areas, especially where forest rangers have limited reach. And because the design is low cost, more trees can be monitored, and more communities can finally protect their forests effectively.
Anguichi does more than just detect illegal logging. It empowers communities. When people know that trees are protected by an alert system, they become more confident and motivated to support forest conservation. This increases awareness, participation, and sense of responsibility. It also aligns strongly with SDG 15, Life on Land, which promotes the sustainable management of forests and the protection of biodiversity. By using an accessible and scalable solution like Anguitree, even the smallest barangays can actively contribute to national environmental protection efforts.
Here is our visual prototype of Angry Tree. Let's break down the main components. First of all is the sound sensor. This listens for the sharp buzzing sound of a chainsaw. Once the sensor detects that noise within a certain range, it triggers the alarm. The second one is the vibration sensor. If someone tries to cut or shake the tree, this sensor picks up the unusual movement and immediately activates the alarm. The third is the buzzer. This serves as the immediate warning when the system detects danger. The buzzer turns on to scare off illegal loggers or alert people nearby. Up next is the Arduino or microcontroller. This serves as the brain of the device. It makes decisions based on what the sensors detects. The fifth one is the GSM module, which is an embedded device that allows microcontrollers like Arduino to connect to cellular networks for SMS. And lastly is the battery that powers the entire system. Because the design is energy efficient, it can last for long periods without constant maintenance. All of these parts work together to create a system that is affordable, effective, and easy to deploy, even in remote forest areas.
Anguitree has two practical features that make it effective in real use. First, the detection range. Tree falls can reach 80 to 100 decibels, and our sound sensor is turned to catch those signals. This means one device can cover multiple trees, saving costs compared to installing a unit on every tree. Second, the SMS alert system. When triggered, the microcontroller sends an SMS directly to authorities. In our prototype, the LED represents the gadget that receives this message, helping locate the exact tree under threat. Together, these features make NGT both affordable and scalable for communities. Now, let's prepare for the circuit simulation of our product.
In this demo, we show how Angry Tree responds to danger. Imagine someone using a chainsaw near the tree. The sound sensor picks up the noise, sends the signal to Arduino, and the buzzer activates immediately. Or imagine someone trying to cut the tree silently. The vibration sensor detects the unusual movement, and again, the buzzer is triggered. The LED indicator represents the cell phone or gadget of authorities. When triggered, it shows that an SMS has been sent and received, helping locate the exact area where the tree is being cut. This simulation shows how the device can warn communities in real time and help prevent illegal logging before serious damage happens.
In conclusion, Angry Tree is our way of giving forests a voice. It is simple, affordable, and designed for real communities facing real threats. With Angry Tree, we can protect trees before they fall and keep ecosystems alive. When nature roars, we hear it and we act. Thank you.